what's up everyone, it's Ducati Biker and we're here at the Ducati dealership in Phoenix, Arizona, and we are here to announce a new collaboration with Ducati USA and the Ducati Biker page. I'm so excited to present you guys with a Ducati E mountain bike. So everything you guys see going forward, I will be presenting and doing documentaries, reviews, parts and accessories, and everything moving forward with the E Ducati bike community. And I'm just so excited. They sent me this new Ducati e-bike. This happens to be the TK-01RR edition with the all-in suspension. And so we have the box here in the middle of the showroom. Before it gets too busy, let's get into the unboxing, okay? Oh man, I've been so excited to do this. I've been bugging them for so long to get one of these bikes, and they finally sent one to me, and it's just such an honor. For most of you who don't know, before I was Ducati Biker, I used to race mountain bikes professionally for like 12 years of my life. So all the content you see has massive experience and growth behind it, and just looking at this bike right now is amazing. So let me just cut a few things right here. Already, we're gonna slide one of the wheels out right here. Wow, so that's the front wheel right there. And as you can see, we still have Pirelli tires. These are the Pirelli Scorpion EMTB rated Hyperwall S tires, which are really cool. Again, I'll be going into many different details with all the parts, accessories, and reviews we will be going and putting on this bike moving forward. So we're just gonna put this wheel right here on the side. About this, it's just been such a long time in the making. I'm sure if you guys see all my content, I've been always reviewing these bikes, but haven't had one yet for myself. And let's see if we can get this bike out of here. Wow! Holy moly! There she is, hold on. Let me just step over all these Ducatis real quick. Oh, wow. And look at that. I could literally hold this e-bike by myself. A lot of people were saying e-bikes are heavy. This does not seem like a heavy e-bike to me compared to some other bikes I've seen in the market. So let me just carefully put this down right here. Just gonna place this wheel right here. So guys, let me just take all the packaging off. As you know, unboxing videos are so beautiful and they feel so nice. I can't tell you how excited I am for this. It's been so long. I've been riding mountain bikes my whole entire life. It translated into Ducati motorcycles. Oh my God, look at that. It feels like the V4R. You know how the V4R has that brushed aluminum tank? That's the sensation I'm getting here right now with this bike. Absolutely beautiful and stellar. Wow. Man, I can't wait to show you guys all the things we're gonna do with this new Ducati E mountain bike. And again, wow, look at that saddle. It's like a Ducati core saddle right there with the red tip. This is so beautiful. Man, I'm just like lost for words. And as you guys can see, it has the all-in suspension in it. And again, I'm gonna build it up as we talk right now. The handlebars are... So I'll go through some more specifications and reviews, obviously, when the bike is built, but this is just an unboxing video because we're so excited to have this here. And huge thanks to the dealership for letting me take over the showroom early morning because this bike just got sent over from Ducati North America. And we're gonna slide the handlebars out. Wow, look at that, sweet. These are the carbon Renthal handlebars. Pretty much all the motorcycle technology and accessories that they put on Ducatis, they've transferred over onto these bikes right here. So it's really cool to see and to have like all-in suspension, Renthal carbon handlebars, which are used in motocross bikes. We got a moto fender right here. We got the Pirelli tires. We have the Shimano electric motor right here in the middle. And this is just so cool to see. So, while I keep yapping, let me put the handlebars on so we could get this rolling. Obviously, you want to make sure you have your multi-tool kit. And as well, some of you might be like, what is this guy doing building a Ducati e-bike in the middle of a showroom? Well, I happen to be a professional mechanic. It was one of my tricks and trades for years in the making. Still working on bikes. And that's also why I've convinced Ducati USA to send me one of these bikes, because I could maintain it, I could review it, we will be documenting it, and also riding it to test the new TK-01RR edition e-bike. And this thing is just absolutely beautiful. They created their own Ducati stem, which is really, really nice. I really like it. Normally when I go back home, I'm gonna add some what we call carbon prep for the carbon bars and the aluminum, so that's just gonna go like that. grab this and put these right back on it. Just put the face right back on it like that. We're not gonna have everything too tight. I just wanna get this bike on the wheels, or on the ground with the wheels on it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Let's put one right there. And you wanna be careful when it comes to these smaller components, because there's a lot smaller places, smaller screws, and there's nothing you wanna strip or get misplaced when it comes to these bars. And absolutely beautiful. Get this thing facing in the right direction, just like so. Pop, pop. Wow, it's already coming together in a few short steps. This is super cool. I love unboxing new things, especially new Ducati things, and this is my first Ducati e-bike I've been unboxed. Like I said, I know you guys have seen plenty of my other videos I've been doing talking about this bike. So now that we essentially have the handlebars on, we're gonna put the wheel on, which I have right here. 29-inch front Crank Brothers wheels, which are awesome. Let's pop this off. I'll get my scissors right here. They're gonna pop this zip tie off. Look how massive this front wheel is. It's absolutely amazing. Super stoked about this whole setup. All high-end component parts, just like how you'd expect from a Ducati. We got the Shimano XT. What brakes are these on here? I didn't even get to see yet. We have the Shimano XT brakes right here, which are a great, fantastic brake. I'll pop this off. Get this tag going. We got the Crank Brothers this wheel set, which we will be reviewing in a little bit. But now, what I just want to do is prepare myself to put this front wheel on. And to do that, we just need to remove the front axle and some other things. Slide this out of the way. Now take your brake caliper out. All right. So let me just get my tool again. I'm gonna loosen these bolts and get this pre-assembled. Get it up on two wheels. Up. So there's two bolts here on the Olin suspension, just to loosen the front end of the fork. And then we're gonna slide the axle out and slide that front wheel in. Let me get all this tape off because we don't want tape in our axle, that's for sure. Nice, that sits just like so. Axle's gonna slide out of here. Leave that on the ground safely real quick, but I got some tape in here that I don't want. And again, I'll take this bike back to my home where my bike shop is. We'll assemble it correctly, put some grease on it. Right now, let's get it going. I'll slide in just like so. Axle will attach right into the Olin's fork. If I could get it to sit in correctly. Obviously troubles it not being in a bike stand. Hold on. There it goes, just like so. And we got the wheel in the fork legs of the 38mm Olin suspension. Ah, this suspension's so nice, it's almost like you could put it on a Ducati Scrambler. I'm gonna fasten this up real quick, just like so. Man, wow, look at that already, guys. Look at that. Look at this. We got the Ducati on its wheels. Let's put this stand right here so it can just stay up on it. No. Yeah, that's not gonna hold. I'm gonna hold it up for you guys. I'm gonna take this stuff off too. Look at this beautiful machine. I believe I have the dropper post. This is gonna come up like so. Oh, I'll need to do some tuning on that. Oh, there you go. Adjustable seat post that pops right up. And this is one beautiful, beautiful machine here. Wow, still got some more unboxing to do. So the biggest thing about this bike is the pedal assist motor. So for most of you who don't know, there is a Shimano electric pedal assist motor right here. This one is called the SP8, I believe right there. SP8 motor from Shimano. And you can even pedal backwards, nothing happens. But when you push this forward, what this will do is it'll accelerate and give you more pedal assistance and cadence when you're going up or downhill through difficult sections. So a lot of people think there's a motor in the back, but it isn't. It's all called what we call front drivetrain right here, electric pedal assist. So it's really cool. And I believe right down here in the down tube where my fingers are is where you activate and turn the actual e-bike on, and then the charging port as well. So we're gonna get into that a little bit later. We're just unboxing this bike. I'm gonna have to charge it as well. But this is just, wow. What a race bike. The Ducati TK-01RR, absolutely beautiful. It has everything I've ever wanted in a mountain bike in it and even more. So we just unboxed this bike. Stay tuned. Huge thanks to Ducati USA. Brand new collaboration with a lot of new content and information coming soon. Documentaries, reviews, parts, accessories, and also traveling and racing this bike. Stay tuned, guys. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, click that like button, hit the subscribe button, and ask me any questions you'd like about this bike, because we're gonna get into extreme detail with it. Until then, see you guys soon.